Well, we've had a great day, but it's time to go home. Yeah. Bye!
Wait!
Wait.
We need one more thing for the perfect birthday party.
I'm betting.
Of course! I've one more delivery. A present! Wait here!
A present?
Princess.
Here, a present.
Photo.
Where's the photo?
Don't worry. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Granny's recipe. Now it's time to hide.
Where is everybody?
This is the best present ever.
Daddy.
I love you. Yes, Daddy, go!
Now, let's get that knee wrapped up. Here we go. Now, oh, nice and tight. Perfect.
Perfect. Thank you.
While you're here, Joe, can I listen to your heart?
Yes.
You have no stethoscope.
Oh, yes. I lost one. I ordered a new one. Dizzy Deliveries will come today.
Wait. I have a delivery for you.
I'll get it. Your leg is still sore.
Thank you.
Wait here.
Okay.
I found this one. But it's a toy.
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy,
Day.
Good boy, thanks a million. That's great. Now. We do, that was fantastic. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Hands up. Okay, we're finished. Your knee and your head will be okay.
Joe, would you like a lollipop for being so good?
I would love a lollipop.
Go and ask the nurse for a lollipop.
Lollipops.
Let me help.
Be careful! Oh no! I love lollipops.
No,
Why?
our boat is broken.
Boat? My second delivery. Wait here.
Oh, it's too small. Oh.
I'm sorry. Ah, I could use magic.
Careful.
Are you okay, Joe?
Now we can catch fish.
I caught a fish! Ooh.
What about you, Finny?
Hey!
Finny caught a fish.
Well done, Finian.
When we got back, we let the fish return home to the river. Well, I've had a great day, but now it's time to go. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
It's time for your X-ray.
Will it hurt?
No, no.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
Okay.
Now, Joe, put your foot there. Not that foot.
See you.
That's better. Try and get it. That's perfect.
It's a tummy.
Don't move. Here we go.
No,
Okay. Come on, Archie.
see.
We'll go and we'll come back. Stay there.
Okay. Joe.
Joe. That chair's for children. Oh. We need to get you a blanket.
A blanket? My next delivery. Wait, here. Loads of blankets. Archie.
Okay, see.
Ah, there he is.
Oh, sorry. Oh, blankets.
All you had.
No! My... No! Oh!